Don't forget to like and subscribe to Jolie Knots Crochet. Share with your friends. Hit that little notification bell so you can get notified when new patterns release. All our videos are available in left and right-handed tutorials.
The way that I'm going to join these is with a magic knot. You can join them however you want, but I want to show you this is going to be a lot of ends to weave in, so it would be beneficial if you can find an easy way to join and not have to weave in all those ends. So I'm going to take my old yarn, or the one that's ending, and the new yarn, and I'm going to put them both together. I'm going to take my thumb and place it right over the yarn pretty snugly so just the ends are poking through. Now I'm going to take my new yarn and I'm going to wrap it around my thumb once and then around my thumb twice. Place my finger back there so it's nice and tight again. And now I'm going to pull the yarn between my thumb and the yarn there, okay? You see I pulled the yarn between, and I'm going to take this little end, smush it in, hold it really tight, and I'm going to pull and allow these all to pull together. Now, some yarn and their texture is really tough and difficult to do a magic knot with, but most yarn that is just a, like a worsted weight that we're using now will be just fine to do that with. And this knot ain't going anywhere. If I pull this really hard, the yarn will break before that knot. All right?